In this video, I will show you how to send money from the USA to Canada. To do this, I would personally use Remitly because they have great exchange rates, you don't have to pay any fees on your first transfer, and in my opinion, overall it's just the best way to send money internationally. So if you want to use Remitly, just head over to remitly.com, set your country to the United States, and where it says to, go and select Canada. And once it's set to USA to Canada, you can then choose how much you would like to transfer. For example, I'll do $75. And then from there, you can click on Get This Rate. Now here you need to sign into your account if you already have one. If you don't have one, you can just sign up. It's very simple. All you need to do is sign up either with Google or Apple or enter an email address and password. Then from there, you will see this. So go and click on Send Money. And then here, make sure that the amount is correct and click Continue. And then here you can select the delivery method. So you can do an Interac e-transfer, you can do a bank deposit or cash pickup. I'll use bank deposit. Then here select the bank they use. So in this case, I'll select Royal Bank of Canada. Then depending on the delivery method you picked, you will need to enter either recipient bank details or where they can pick up the cash. Just enter the details that are requested. From there, enter the recipient's name and enter the recipient's address. From there, you can enter the recipient's phone number and choose if you want them to receive transfer updates. I recommend doing this, but I'll skip it for this example. And then from there, you can then add your payment methods. I'm using a card, so I can click Add New Card and then Continue. And then here, I need to enter my card details. From there, just gonna click Review Details, and then you will get to an overview with all of the transfer details. So make sure it's correct, and if it is, go and confirm the transfer, and then the money will be on its way to your recipient. So now you know how to send money from the USA to Canada. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.